Remember, present simple for routine. Sometimes, usually, always. Only person. I work. I work every day. You work. Person plus simple action. We work and they work. For affirmative, positive, she or he works. He works every day. She works every day. And it, my computer. My computer works or it works. To make a negative in present simple, using a routine action, example, work, negative, do not, together, don't. Pronunciation, d, o, do, don't, don't. No, I don't work. Simple action, work. Don't is negative for I don't, you don't, we don't, and they don't. Complete. No, I don't work every day. Present simple with routine actions. When you make a question, use helper do for the question. Do you work? Helper, person, action. That order. Do you work every day? Do we work? They. Do they work? Question. Routine. Let's practice. Make a question, wash the dishes.
Do you wash the dishes?
Yes, sometimes I wash the dishes. Make a question, wash the dishes. Yes, I do. Sometimes. Very good. Let's practice. Make a question, sweep the floor.
Do you sweep the floor?
No, I don't sweep the floor. Make a question, sweep the floor. No, I don't. Very good. Let's practice. Make a question, clean the house.
Do you clean the house?
Yes, I clean the house sometimes. Make a question, clean the house. Yes, I clean the house sometimes. Very good. Negative for present simple, routine action. For he, she, and it, negative, does not, together, doesn't. D, duh. Z, does. Does it. Doesn't. T, doesn't. Doesn't. Complete. No, he doesn't work. Remember, simple action, work. He doesn't works, not correct. He doesn't work. Complete. No, she doesn't work in this office. It. No, it doesn't work. Make a question with present simple, a routine action, a simple action. Use helper does. For he and she and it. Does he work? Remember, work, simple action. No works. No does he works. Simple action, work. Question, does he work every day? For she, does she work in this office? Question, does it work? Or computer, does the computer work? Let's practice questions. I make a question with helper does. Make a question. Ask if Benji cleans the house.
Does Benji clean the house?
No, he doesn't. Make a question. No, he doesn't. Let's practice. Ask me if Benji sweeps the floor.
Does Benji sweep the floor?
No, he doesn't. Make a question. Sweep the floor. No, he doesn't sweep the floor. Let's practice. Make a question. Benji washes the dishes? Make a question.
Does Benji wash the dishes?
Yes, he washes the dishes sometimes. Make a question. Yes, he does. He washes the dishes sometimes. Let's practice. Make a question. Ask me if Benji gets good grades.
Does Benji get good grades?
Yes, he does. He gets good grades. Make a question. Yes, he does. He gets good grades. Let's practice questions with when. Remember, when is question for time. Ask me a question. Ask me when Benji plays basketball.
When does Benji play basketball?
He plays basketball on Friday. Ask a question with when. He plays basketball on Friday. Let's practice. Make a question with when. Ask me when he does his homework.
When does Benji do his homework?
He does his homework Saturday and Sunday. Make a question. He does his homework on the weekend. Very good. Making questions with who. When who is the person doing the action, no does, change your action. Example, who sweeps the floor? Who sweeps the floor? Respond, Sophia sweeps the floor. Let's practice. Make a question with who.
Who sweeps the floor?
Sophia sweeps the floor. Make a question with who. Sophia sweeps the floor. Very good. Making questions with who. With two actions, use your connector to. Who likes to wash the dishes? I don't like to wash the dishes. Who likes to wash the dishes? Question. Respond. Benji's mom likes to wash the dishes. Let's practice. Who likes to wash the dishes?
She likes to wash the dishes.
Who likes to wash the dishes? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Make a question with who.
Who plays basketball?
Benji plays basketball. Make a question with who. He plays basketball. Very good. Make a question with who.
Who gets good grades?
Benji gets good grades. Make a question with who. Benji gets good grades. Very good.